giving it slack. Real. Stop. Give yourself a chance. This way you can relax.
Yeah, enjoy it.
This is Erin catching a gigantic fish.
All right. Except we got to do this while we're still young.
Yeah, you know, my grandfather's slow, but he's 88. Keep going, come on.
Hey, don't look at me, I'm not the fish.
Later, get that fish. There you go. Slow her up. Don't just those hooks up. Come on.
Don't jerk it, baby.
Gotta fix her hair.
Yeah. She's on camera. She's gotta look good.
You got your eyeliner with you?
No, I don't know.
Start reeling. Start reeling. Go down. Stop. Back up. Start reeling. Stop. Slow down. Slide front. Don't wiggle on it. Slide down.
Right now.
She's not even on the little chair thing anymore. She's not even on the little chair thing anymore. Like, it's way up on her back.
I'm
just past the road corner. I can't think right now. Yeah. On the 50.
I'd like you to get into this thing. Exactly.
There we go.
Better. I can't. Might be a 50-pound no-no.
You know, I think it's a bucket. Or an old shoe.
Maybe a tire if we're lucky.
I think it's a tire.
I'm thinking maybe we should bring in these outriggers and...
Yeah. Almost here. Real, come on. You can't rest.
Sure.
That fish swims the boat while you're trying to rest. It'll cause a slack line. It'll come off.
You guys both some deer.
How we did too.
Deer out here.
I think it's a mai-mai.
Really?
Maybe, I don't know. It's all moving around on the surface out there. It's not
a big one. A big fish.
Might be foul hook. Come on.
You got it, baby. Keep going. You're doing great.
bring in this other one so you can start backing in.
Okay. There you go. Good job.
Good job, baby.
Good
There he is. Woo! Look at him.
There you go. Keep it tight. He's swimming right towards you now. Come on.
Lots of breathing, Erin.
Okay, now I just want you to reel right now. Just reel. Just keep reeling.
Keep reeling, baby.
Reel.
Reel. Just reel. Just reel. Just keep reeling. Just reel, 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 reel. No lifting. Just reel.
Come on, Erin. Keep reeling. You're almost there. Ronnie's going to jump out and grab it in a minute here.
There you go. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Keep going.
Yeah. Call him bad names if that helps.
Oh. No, no. Keep reeling.
Woo!
He is hooked on the side.
Yeah, there you go.
Looks like a really big fish.
Come on. Bring it in. There you go.
Cool.
Stop right there.
Stop, Erin.
Stop, baby.
Stop. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Whoa, nice one.
Yay, baby. Baby, look at me.
Nice going over here.
Hee-hee.
Beautiful.
Look at that.